Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create realistic drone-style photos and videos for your property listings using Videotour.ai. Even if you don't have any real drone footage, you can still generate cinematic aerial visuals using just a Google Maps or Google Earth screenshot and a reference photo of the property. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to go from a simple property address to a professional drone-style shot that you can add directly to your video tour. Let's start from an existing video tour. Once your main video is ready, go to the Location tab. This is where you can set and manage the property's address. Enter the full property address in the fields provided. Once the address is added, you'll see options to open the location directly in Google Earth or Google Maps and Street View. When you click one of these buttons, it will take you straight to the property's location. From here, the next step is to capture a screenshot of the property. You can use either a 2D map view or a 3D satellite view. As long as the property is clearly visible, the AI will be able to work with it. For best results, a clean Google Maps style screenshot usually works very well and looks more realistic for this type of effect. Once you've taken your screenshot, go back to Videotour.ai and upload it into the first photo uploader. This image will act as the base for generating the drone perspective. Next, you'll need to upload a reference photo of the actual property. This is very important because it helps the AI understand what the real house looks like, along with its surroundings and overall context. In most cases, you can simply use one of the images from the property listing itself. If you don't have a good photo of the house, you can also use Google Street View to capture a realistic image of the property from ground level. After uploading both images, you'll see two creation options. The first option is to create a high-resolution drone photo. This costs 10 credits and generates a single aerial-style image of the property. Once it's generated, you can easily add it to your video tour by clicking the Add to Video button. The second option is to create a high-resolution drone video. This costs 50 credits and generates a cinematic drone-style animation. The motion typically starts from the generated aerial view and smoothly transitions into the real property photo, creating a very professional and engaging effect. Just like the photo, this video can also be added directly into your video tour once it's ready. Finally, after generating your drone photo or video, simply click Add to Video to include it in your main tour. This allows you to enhance your property video with dynamic aerial visuals, even if you never used a drone. And that's it. With just a property address, a Google Maps or Google Earth screenshot, and one reference photo, you can create impressive drone-style visuals in minutes. Try it yourself inside Videotour.ai and start upgrading your property videos with cinematic